dessert.
Yes, thank you, John. Paula Peterson is here with a recipe for Mexican fried ice cream, and it's pretty easy. Oftentimes you will get this at a Mexican restaurant, but we can make it at home.
You can make it at home. It's quick and simple, 5 ingredients, not a big deal. You do have to fry up cornflakes in a little bit of sugar and butter before you start, and you'll dump that in the bottom here. If you want to dump half of the Cool Whip into the ice cream.
Okay, just half of them.
Yeah, about half of it.
Half.
I did this as a half a recipe today. I did this kind of as a take and bake, so you get one and then my granddaughter gets the other half.
Oh, this is her favorite, I understand.
Yes, and then a half a teaspoon of cinnamon goes in there.
She 7th grade?
Yep, 7th grade at Waverly, and this is Callie's absolute favorite dessert. This is birthday recipe.
Okay.
And so once you get it mixed in, then we'll just dump it into on top of the cornflakes.
Okay.
And that's pretty good.
Okay.
Yep. We'll dump it right into the cornflakes.
Okay, right on top.
Yep, right on top.
So you can do the whole thing, or you can?
You can do the whole thing in a 9 by 13.
Oh, righty.
Or you can do a half of like this. And then after you do that, we'll sprinkle with the rest of the cornflakes on top.
Do you spread it out then?
Yeah, you can just kind of
push it around like that.
There we go.
Great.
And then you drizzle it with honey, because, you know, honey makes everything better.
Yeah.
And let it freeze for a couple hours, and you have Mexican fried ice cream.
Ooh, that's all you have to do.
That's it.
Where'd you find this recipe?
It's a combination of a couple things I saw on Facebook that I kind of meshed together to come up with something my kids would like.
Yeah.
You could also do it with different ice creams. If you wanted to do like the scarlet and cream ice cream that the dairy store has with little strawberries, I mean, it would.
I like that, or chocolate.
Yeah.
You want the chocolate on there.
And you can drizzle chocolate on it if you would prefer, as opposed to the honey.
This is very good. I love ice cream too, Paula. This is great.
Well, and you know, it's for breakfast. You got your cornflakes, your milk, you're good.
You can make it work for any time of the day. This recipe is already on our Pure Nebraska Facebook page, and I'll send it back to you, John.